What is your greatest strength and how will it make you an effective Mutya ng Matanao 2024?
Thank you.
My
My
greatest
greatest strength is my mother. Actually, she is watching here right now. Ever since my father died, she shows versatility in her journey. And I am here standing in front of you tonight as a living proof of her strength, independence, and confidence. And as an aspiring Mutya ng Matanao, I always dreamed of becoming confident and strong like my mother. And I guess that is what values that my mother taught me. And I embodied it as of today because I am here standing proud and confident to represent my Barangay Kibao and your next Mutya ng Matanao 2024. Thank you.
Mutya ng Matanao 2024!